Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So this is year ending reading, Scorpio. So let's see what are the messages for you. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio. Okay. Scorpio, under the deck, Five of Swords. Chariot, maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Five of Pentacles and Sun, maybe you're dealing with Leo or Libra. I think right now you're going through some transformation or I think there is some cold shouldering energy here. Someone treating you as an option here, some cold shouldering energy, Five of Pentacles, or for some, there is some money loss for you. Scorpio, Five of Pentacles, so be careful with your money, and maybe for some kids also involved in this relationship, and the Chariot with Five of Swords. I think right now you are in some confusion here, either to go this way or to go that way, the type of confusion you are in right now. And Five of Swords, maybe there is a big fight is going right now between you and your person, or there is a big arguments or big politics are going in your work area. Five of Swords, someone is backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. Scorpio, yeah, a lot of things are going in your life right now, but you want to focus on yourself and you are trying to come out of these things here. The Sun card. So let's see your reading. First card, the Empress. I think the woman in this connection could be pregnant or want to become a mother here. The Empress, or for some maybe there is a chance for miscarriage. Be careful with your pregnancy. So the Empress, I think you want to take your power back here. You're very honest and very caring person, Scorpio, but things are not going well in your life right now. That's why you want to be very strong emotionally. That's why you're trying to focus on your inner strength here, because the Tower, definitely you're going through a lot right now in your life. You are in a very difficult situation emotionally. You are very weak right now. Emotional imbalance, a lot of thoughts or separation or fightings, arguments between you and your person. Lot of I think it is a very big Tower moment for you, Scorpio. And Page of Wands, maybe I think for some there is some ending for you, maybe in career, maybe in relationship, but you want to start again with zero, maybe new ideas, new beginnings, new opportunities for you. And for some, someone wants to communicate with you here, and again this person could be a player in and out of your life. And in your career wise, again you are trying to do something new here, new ideas, creativity. Yeah, after this Tower you started again with from zero. Maybe you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your relationship or your love life, Scorpio. Wow. Wow. Again, Page of Wands. Under the deck, Eight of Pentacles, the Chariot, maybe you're dealing with Cancer here, and Five of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. Someone is missing their key now. Now they're realizing you're both here. Now they are feeling alone without you. Five of Pentacles, feeling guilty and feeling lonely here. Now they're ready to work on this relationship. Maybe Scorpio, in past you both have no equal give and take, and there is no partnership between you and your person, but now they're really realizing your worth here. They're finally coming towards you. Yeah, they're in slow moving energy, but they are taking right path here. And Eight of Pentacles, this time your person is really serious about you, and they're really working on this relationship. Yes, they made their decision and they're coming towards you, Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio here, especially Cancer. So Knight of Pentacles, something stable is coming towards you. Someone really wants to offer stability, marriage, commitment. Yes, this person is really want to offer everything to you. I think stability in relationship is coming, and this person is really serious about you, Scorpio. Knight of Pentacles. With Knight of Cups, I think if they did hurt you in past, now they really want to say apology to you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you, because Knight of Cups, this person is emotionally connected to you, and this person have a lot of romantic feelings for you. Knight of Cups, yes. But one thing, this person is in very slow moving energy, because knights are always in slow moving. And Page of Wands, communication. So this person will send some text or call you before coming towards you, because they want to test the waters, and there is communication is coming. And for some, you both have age difference here. I think maybe you may be younger than your person, or they may be younger than you. It could be anything. There is some age difference between you and your person. So let's see the message you don't see coming. Message from universe. Okay, wow, Page of Cups. I think for some there will be some romance in future, and for some apology is coming, and for some you have options here, but it is a small offer. Regarding in case it is offered, it is a small, but there will be some romance after this person came into your life. And for some, someone is returning with an apology here. Definitely this could be a past person coming back to you after realizing your worth, and they're ready to offer apology here. Yes, under the deck, Four of Cups with Queen of Wands. Definitely this person is feeling alone without you. That's why they are going to make action very soon, Queen of Wands. And this person is very dominative in nature, but they want to take action towards you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Scorpio. I fantasize about you. So this person is fantasizing about you a lot. And the second message, past person return. I already told you, someone from past is returning. Definitely past person is return. And true love. So the messages are, I fantasize about you, past person return, and true love are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. Maybe some of you are dealing with Libra right now. Definitely for some, a new romantic cycle is going to be begin between you and your person. And the second message, hold your vision, fixed moon. So if you want to achieve or if you want to manifest something in your life, this is the message for you. Hold your vision, hold your visualization. Definitely it will come true. And under the deck, your dreams need a practical plan, full moon in Taurus. Maybe some of you are dealing with Taurus here. So for some, you need a practical plan here to achieve your goals. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.